Veronica drank 0.5 liter of water. Hector drank 0.3 liter of water. Who drank less water? So what do I need to do here? I need to compare between these two numbers, 0.5 and 0.3. What is the greater number, 0.5 or 0.3? 0.5. So who drank less water? Veronica or Hector? Hector. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, okay. Did you finish writing?
I'm just about to say yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, question number 6 now. Here.
No, teacher, I was just printing my sheet.
That's it, yeah.
Done, teacher, thanks.
Very good. Now, in the question number 6 here, find the product of 7 times 6 times 13. Now, did you remember before that if you have 2 times 3 times 5? Okay, what did you first? Sometimes you multiply 3 times 15 first to get 15. Then you multiply it by 2 and you get 30. And sometimes if you write it like this, like 2 times 3 first, which is 6, times 5, you also get 30. That's what we call it the associative property of multiplication. Now, sometimes I can use this property in order to multiply a big number such as 7 times 6 times 13. So now, the first step, you need to simplify the problem. Sometimes if you multiply 7 times 6 first, you have the same if you multiply 6 times 13 first. So here now, simplify. They told me, right, here we have 7 times 6 times 13. Rewrite it as a product of 2 factors. Like make it 7 times 6, then after that times 13. I just rearrange the numbers. I change the position of the parentheses. Is it clear?
But teacher?
Yes.
Here the equation is not 3, but
that's 13.
Yes, but you meant it first and 3. Should give me an example.
No, this was another example.
Okay.
Now here, I will repeat now. Here I have, in my example, I have 6 times 13, then they are multiplied by 6. Sometimes I can change the place of the brackets or the parentheses, and if I change the place of the parentheses, I will get the same answer. Got it? Now, 7 times 6. 7 times 6. 42. Then 42, I will multiply it by 13. So if you have like this here, you have three big numbers and you need to multiply them, just multiply two numbers, then the product of them, multiply it by the third one. Yeah, then now here we have 42 times 13 or 13 times 42. Let's multiply it now. 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Now, yeah, I will give you 1 minute. Please multiply it first, and then we will solve it together.
I already multiplied. Teacher?
Did you finish now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Already finished.
2
Yes.
times 3, 6. 2 times 1, 2. Then
Then 3
Time.
months.
see here. I will remind you now. I will remind you now how you will multiply. 13 and 42. Yeah. Two times, first I multiply 2 with 3. 2 times 3, 6. And then 2 times 1, 2. Then I go to the tens. Since I start to multiply the tens, I put now 0. Then 4 times 3, then 4 times 1. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Bravo. Then I will add 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 2,
5 plus 2, 7.
7. And then 5. So what's the final answer will be?
It is 2 plus 2.
Ah, sorry. Allah, I see it 5 plus 2. Hello, just a minute. Here it was 4 times 3, 12. And 1 up 5, okay.
And then 4.
And here we have 4. Yes. Answer will be
Teacher?
546.
546. I did on the page now.
Good job. Thank you. What's your name?
Dina.
Yes, Dina. Can you help me with number 2 now?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the others. Is it clear?
Yes. Clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Number 2 now.
Yes.
3 times 14 times 3. How can we write it?
I got 13 multiply 3 and then the number that is equal multiplied by 3.
Okay, so yeah, let's make it now. 14 times 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1,
Is equal to
45. Bravo. Mrs. Dina is talking, yes. This is not allowed. Okay, 42. Then the answer of it, which is 42, what do you have to multiply it with what?
with a 3.
With 3. Bravo. Yeah, 42 times 3, 3 times 2.
84.
3 times 2. 6. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. So what's the answer will be?
127.
Bravo. Thank you so much, Dina.
You sure?
Yes.
I don't understand question 6.
Question 6.
Teacher, I got the same answer.
Miss, question 6, it's like here. It's like number 2 and number 3 and number 4.
I still don't understand.
Just here you need to multiply 2 numbers. You get the answer.
Teacher?
And I'm talking. You just need to multiply 2 numbers and you have to take the answer and re-multiply it with a third number. That's it. Multiply 2 numbers and the answer and multiply it with a third one. This is the idea here. Tabna, can you help me now?
What?
Can you help me to solve number 3?
Okay.
Yalla. First of all, what you have to do?
We have to multiply the 2 numbers.
Yeah, which is 4 times 13. Yalla. 13 times 4. 4 times 3. Yes. Miss, what's your name?
I'm Honey.
Haneen. Okay. Now, 3 times 4. 12. 4 times 1. 4 plus 1.
4. I couldn't hear you good.
4 plus 1, 4 plus 1. 5.
5.
So here, 13 times 4 is 52. Then, after you found the product of 13 times 4, which is 52, you need now to multiply it by 2. So, 52 times 2 is, yeah, let's multiply it. 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5. 10. Bravo.
5.
2 times 5 is 10. So what's the final answer will be? 104. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, number 4. 16 times 6 times 3. Let's choose. Malak Anas?
Yes.
Yes, Malak.
16 times 6. It's equal 22.
So first of all, you need to multiply 16 times 6.
Yes.
6 times 6, 36. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3, 9. So it will be 96.
9.
Then what do you need to do? You need to multiply 96 with what?
3.
With 3. Bravo. 96 with 3. 3 times 6?
18.
18. 3 times 9?
27.
Plus 1?
27 and the 1, 28.
Bravo. So the final answer will be?
288.
288. Thank you. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
clear.
Yeah.
Sure, it didn't finish.
Sorry, just 1 second. Yeah, that's it.
So, Miss, when you have two numbers in bracket, for example, 14 multiplied by 3, you multiply them by together, and the number that you get, you multiply by the third number.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go now to question number 7. Question number 7 here, you need to round to the nearest whole number. Did you remember the rounding? Did you remember the rounding?
Not today, I didn't remember it.
Rounding means,
Yes.
like here I have a number like 358. Sorry. 358. And I ask you now as an example to round number 5 to the nearest tens, or to round number 5, I mean. Now what you have to do first, if you ask you now to round number 5, just write number 3 as it is, and then go to number 5. Look at number 5 here. You now need to round it. So when you want to round it, just look at the numbers before it, which is number 8. And you have to know something, that number 5, number 6, 7, 8, and 9, we call them rich numbers. If I asked her to give me, it will give me. But 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, we call them poor. So now here, for number 5, what is the number before number 5?
8.
It's 8. Now 8 is a rich number. It means it can give me.
Yeah.
It can give me 1. But the poor, it cannot give me. So now, I take 1 from the 8. She will give me. So 5, it's gonna be 6. Okay? And then after I talk from here, I will make here 0. That's it. Another example. You have 3, 3, 5, 2 as an example. And I ask you now to round number 5 to. What you have to do first, you have to keep number 3 down. Then I want to round number 5. Look at the number before number 5. What's the number will be? What's the number here? It's 2. 2, is it from the rich or from the poor?
Poor.
From the poor. So I will stay as I will keep it 5 as it is, but I didn't take from it, so I will keep it 0. So even I took or I didn't take from it, I make it 0. But if it is rich, I add 1 to me. And if I am not rich, I will stay as I am. Yes, miss.
I understand.
Yes.
Is that rounding?
Yes, rounding. I just remind you what's the rounding.
So 5 or more raise the score?
Sorry?
5 or more raise the score?
Yeah, exactly. 5 and more raise the score, and less than 5, it will keep the number as it is. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now
Yes.
let's come back to number 1 here. round to the nearest whole number means I want to underline the whole number. As we said yesterday, the number after the decimal point is a whole number. Just 1 second. This is here the whole number. This is here the whole number. This is here the whole number. And this is here the whole number. Yeah. The first one now. What do we have here? We have number 1. I look at now the number that is before number 1, which is what?
0.
0. And as I told you before, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are poor.
4 numbers.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are rich numbers.
Rich.
Yeah. So then here, 0. Can it give me, add my score or raise my score?
No.
No. So I will stay 1. Sorry. I will stay 1.00 because after I asked my previous number and even she gave me or it's give me or didn't give me, I will make them 0.
Yeah.
Okay, number 2 now. Here we have number 3. I want to round it. Round it means I need to go to the previous number and knock her door and I asked her, are you a rich or poor number? She says, what about number 7? Poor or rich? Rich. So it's rich. So since it's rich, I will give her. Give me now. So number 3 will be 4 and what?
4.
And 0. Or you can say 4.
4.00.
Yeah.
So the number beside it is rich with the number 1 plus because the number beside it is rich.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, number 3 now. 2.45. Look at number 2. I will look at the number before here. Let's choose the. Now, who choose? I want to answer. Isra. Isra Rawas.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Isra. I want you now to help me with number 3. $2.45. Yalla. 2. What's the number before 2?
1.
No, here in this question before the decimal point.
4 or
4. Yeah,
4.
4. Now, number 4. Can it raise my score or it's poor? It cannot.
Can what?
Number 4. Can it give me? Can't it raise me? Can it raise my score? It's poor. So I will stay number 2 point, and the other numbers it will stay 0.
Can please solve number 4?
Before that, number 3. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, number 4. Who wants to solve it? What's your name?
Hunada.
It's okay. Wait. Hunada. Okay. Yes, Hunada.
Yes, teacher.
Here
Yes.
you have 0.9 or 9 tenths.
9 is a rich number, so we will plus 1 for the 0, it will be 1.00.
Bravo. 1.00. Thank you. Do you have any question?
No. Nothing.
Okay.
So I want to answer.
Yalla. Okay, just 1 second, please. Let's go now to question number 8. Did you remember the pattern?
Yes. Yes.
Here we have 1, then it comes 3, then it comes 9, then 27. So now, what do we have here? 1, I multiply it by 3, I get 3. Then 3, I multiply it by 3, I get 9. Then 9, when I multiply it by 3, I get 27. And 27, when I multiply it by 3, what do I get?
Multiply it with what?
Here, they told me that the first number, see, I will re-explain. The first number here is 1.
81.
So now, 1, I multiply it by 3, I get 3. Then, when I multiply 1 by 3, I get 3. Then, when I multiply 3 by 3, what did I get? I get 9. Then, when I multiply 9 by 3, what do I get? I get 27. And now, when I multiply 27 by 3,
81.
what do you get?
81. 30.
No, not added. Multiplied. You have to multiply 27 times 3. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 plus 2, sorry, 8. So the answer will be
81.
81. Yes.
81.
Exactly. Now then, 81 is multiplied by 3. So what the answer will be?
Wait.
Yeah, let's multiply it here. 81 times 3 is 3 times 1, 3. And 3 times 8. 243. Thank you.
240.
Thank you.
Teacher, I'm sorry, teacher, I was in there because my I was pregnant one accidentally, and the other one was my uniform fell over the frozen fridge, and I had to install things to take it out.
Okay. Now, is it clear here?
Yes, it's clear. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, now who wants to solve with me? Your name?
I am Lana.
Lana?
I am Lana.
Lana. Okay, Lana. Yalla. Lana, here we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So what do I multiply? The number, the second number here is multiply. Sorry, the first number. I multiply it by what to get number 2?
You multiply.
She answered. Stop talking, Miss. Miss, she answered. Yalla, Miss, tell me. What do you multiply 1 to get 2?
1.5.
Yes. Raise your voice.
1 multiply 2.
1 second. Just 1 second, please. Okay. Yeah. So here, 1 multiplied by 2, you get 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So thank you. You just multiply the previous number of the previous term by 2 to get the next term. Yalla, then now here, 8 times 2.
16.
I want Lana to answer. 16. Then times 2. 32. Thank you so much, Nana. So here, she noticed that if you multiply the first term by 2, you will get the next term. Is it clear?
Yes, Miss, it's clear. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yeah, now.
Yeah, let's solve number 3. Question number 3.
Yeah, number 3. What's your name?
Okay. Rahat.
Rahat. Just 1 second, please, Rahat. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Rahat.
Okay, 7 multiplied by 1 equals 14. 2 again because
2, bravo.
2
Then 14 times 2.
28.
28. 28 times 2.
56.
And 56 times 2. Yeah, let's multiply it here. 6 times 2.
6 times 2
12.
12.
2 times 5.
2 times 5 10.
10 plus 1.
11.
11. So it will be 112. Then 112 times 2.
112 times 2.
2 times 2.
2
4.
times 2 equals 4.
2 times 1.
2 times 2.
2 times 1.
2 times 1 again. 2.
2, bravo. So the answer will be 224. Now, can you explain here? What did I do?
What?
Can you describe the pattern?
Like how? I don't understand.
Like here, you multiply the first term by 2 to get the second term.
Wait, explain again. Your voice is cutting.
Like here, that you multiply the first term by 2 to get the next term. So how I can explain the pattern? Multiplying. Oh, you shocked? You multiplied the first term by 2 to get the second term. That's it?
Got it.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay.
Can I answer the next question?
Yeah. So just 1 second now, please.
Wait, I didn't finish. I didn't finish.
Okay, I will rewrite here. That's just 1 second, please. Do you take, do you know anything about the grid? Here, how to plot the points?
Yes.
Right. Now about this one here. Do you talk about, do you know how to find the area of the base?
Yeah. And yeah.
Okay. And this one here?
Yeah. Yeah.
And this one? Yeah. Okay. This one? You will take it. Yalla. Okay. Just 1 second. This 1, 2, and 3. Right. Now I will write here the answers in order to. Here is 16. Here is 32. Here is 56 by 2. It was 112. Then yeah, and here multiply each term by 2, by 2, by 2, and then here